Hey y'all, Tammy here with Happi Art Creations and welcome to my today. Alright y'all, I'm fixing to show you some. It is a mixture. Y'all have been asking and I believe you, I'm still working on it, okay? It is a mixture of a Dutch pour, of a bloom, of a spin, okay? All of that in one thing, but it is so much fun. Okay, so now what do I have here? This right here is white house paint and I diluted it down, okay? Diluted it down and I added, it's all I have, is some milk paint. It's light pink actually, but you can't see it in here, and I just go squirt and I pull it out, okay? Anyhow, it helps give cells from underneath. It is such a cool effect. So I want y'all to be excited with me. I'm going to do first, I'm going to put on my Dutch pour, or my base. Let's just put on our base, okay? Now, is it quite as liquid as the Dutch pour? Probably not. Okay? So, but it's close enough. And then I've got this wonderful little fondant smoother. Looky there. It just kind of makes it move all around. You can get these at Walmart and where people do their baking. Looky there. I mean, really, that's about as easy as it goes, and I'm not even going to worry about it. Then I wipe it off with paper towels or my rag, and we call it done. Okay? Right there. Done. That's just a stain on that, okay? Alright. So now, what I want to do is pop some bubbles. Because I got a lot of them, I see. Alright, let's pop it. Now, I'm doing that very quickly because this is house paint. You don't want to put a seal. Alright? I made some extra just in case. So what I'm going to do with my, quote, Dutch pour, I'm going to put it here and here. Maybe a little bit in there, okay? And I'm just going to layer it just like you would if it was a Dutch pour puddle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I might do a little here, a little there. Okay. How about some beautiful ultramarine? That was turquoise, and I'm kind of, you see how I'm doing it? I'm kind of stacking this way towards the middle, okay? Because it is starting to pull over. All right, what's the next good color? I think I'm going to put some quinacridone magenta. You know, that's got to be pretty. Most of these are very thin paints, and if they're not, it doesn't matter in this ditty here, okay? I'm going to put some Naples yellow. I don't know why, just because I can. And then I'm going to put some of this cool green flash, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay. Alright, is that enough? Oh, gold. Gold, 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 gold. This gold that I'm using right here is Montmartre. Just a little. And you see, I'm not really making a whole big deal about it, am I? Okay. Let me get my blow dryer. I'm going to do my blow dryer just like I would a regular. Okay. I'm going to turn mine on high. This is that needle one. Ready? Here, here, here. Blow it around like that. That's all I'm doing, y'all. And look at the cells already. Not just. Okay. Here, let me get that over a little. Okay. Now this is going to make a cool effect. Okay, now the fun part is I'm going to do my bloom. Okay, so I'm going to put some, this is made by the Bloom, what's it called? Recipe. Okay, so, and those will be below. Y'all, this is so much fun. This is a little different than what I was doing earlier. I had done something similar before and it turned out real cool. There's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. If you see this, I am just, there we go, no white on it. Some of this is going to be tilted off or spun off. Okay, so I'm not going to worry about it, even that white. Okay, so I'm done with that. Let's see, I've got this beautiful, oh, which one are you? You are Naked Fusion Tropical Sun. It's a pigment. And y'all, I'm not even worried too much about not getting it exactly, you know, perfect or anything. I'm not worrying about rushing around because I'm going to be blowing stuff around, y'all. Wow, this is pretty phenomenal. Some of these colors already are just like, yay! Did I get some on that one? I did. Let's get that off. I don't want to mix. Alright, let's move you up there. That way I know. Let's see. This one, the next one is from Arteza. It's called Royal Purple. And y'all, just so you know, you can actually put some right smack dab. Oh, I forgot to do that, but I'll do that right smack dab. Who says it has to be the same, right? Right smack dab in the middle, and then add as you go. Oops. All right. This next one is, this is Arteza Fairy Tale Blue. These are kind of they're a little bit different. They've got this flash. They're kind of flashy. Okay, you see how hard I'm not working on this, right? It's gonna be so fun and colorful. Fairies would love to live in this thing right here, I think, right? All right, let's see. I didn't put any of that in this one, so let's add some of this, and I'll tell you the color in just a minute. I forgot. That color is Electric Plum Purple. Alright, that was my electrical shock. Yeah. Alright, now, so far I've not worked real hard at this at all, right? Why do I put these colors over here? Because they all blend together and they start doing fun things, okay? Alright. Now I'm going to put some more of this flash green, and I'm going to put it right around it a little bit. I'm not even worried about putting it on top, because that's what I've been doing. This flash green is yummy. Okay. Did I not put pink in that middle one? I did. And two of them. And I kind of want pink. Alright, pink. Is there anything else? How about around the side? I'm going to put this ultramarine blue around the side, y'all. That's how I do. Even my other technique that I've been doing. It kind of cracked. I will show you. I think I just didn't have enough. Okay. Anything else that would be just kind of cool? Maybe some of this turquoise on the out. Now, some of this is going to be blown off, okay? So, you know, I'm not really worried about it. Not at all. But your thicker paint should be in the middle. And then I'm going to put my gold, which is thick, and then my cell activator, just like you do. You see, I'm not working hard. I'm having fun. Look at these cool cells. Now, when these things blow around, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, this is Amsterdam Van Dyke Brown, and I am low. So, let us go. I'm going to do a few at a time, and then I'm going to blow them, just because. Okay, I'll do these three and then come back. All right, here we go. Watch the magic. So far, so good. Don't worry about what it. There. All right. Let's try these right in here. I'll do that one in the middle last, I think. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I may have to blow it out a little bit more. Okay, I'll do that in a second. Here we go. Y'all excuse my hair. I am almost out. This is my last one for the day. I've done 3. I'll show you the others. I didn't do a video on those first 2. Look at this. Is this not cool? Now, can you get dizzy? Heck yeah. All right, now, that looks pretty cool in itself, right? Let's let it do its thing. I still release some of the, let the middle come up. When I spin it, it'll also spread it. So that is way cool. While this is coming up, let me bring you the first one. They're sticking. That's the first one I did, which is so cool. I'm learning as I go. Okay. Okay, this one I just did. And is it awesome? Look at that. Look at these cells. Can you see them? All right, I don't want to be over that one too much. This one I just finished. Okay, got those done. Now the trick with this is not to spin too hard, but look at all these cells. Look at all this pretty. Now I'm sure you could use, I'm gonna spin it very slowly. You could use, what's it called, a paint? Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go back the other way. Oh, you're not gonna believe what just happened. Okay. All right, y'all, I have a big fat mess behind me. I really don't want to pour too much more, so I'm going to move that one down on the floor. Let's bring it back just a little. I still have quite a bit of paint and I want to be careful. Okay. So, I'm not a big fan of right in here. Stop. I'm gonna stop. That is way super cool. Okay, so y'all, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share with your friends and have a blast subscribing. Okay, we're working towards a prize for my 1,000 subscribers, so y'all go ahead and get your friends in. But tell them it's a fun place to be. This tribe is fun. Make sure that you spark some happy. This is what we do. This makes me happy. If this makes you happy, leave me a comment. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. I gotta clean up that paint that went back behind my table. No kidding, on the floor. Anyhow, y'all have a great evening. Love ya, and I'll see you next time here on Happi Art Creations. Toodaloo. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Bye now.